Find the value of the following expression: tan square pi by 16 multiplied by tan square 3 pi by 16 plus tan square pi by 16 multiplied by tan square 5 pi by 16 plus tan square 3 pi by 16 multiplied by tan square 7 pi divided by 16 plus tan square 5 pi by 16 multiplied by tan square 7 pi divided by 16. We know that tan pi by 2 minus x is equal to cot x, that is equal to 1 by tan x. So, tan 7 pi by 16 is equal to tan pi by 2 minus pi by 16, and that is equal to cot pi by 16, which is same as 1 divided by tan pi by 16. And tan 5 pi by 16 is equal to tan pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16, which is equal to cot 3 pi by 16, and that is equal to 1 divided by tan 3 pi by 16. Or tan square 7 pi by 16, that is tan 7 pi by 16 is this. Therefore, tan square 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1 divided by tan square pi by 16. Similarly, tan square pi by 16 is equal to 1 divided by tan square 3 pi by 16 from this result. Substitute a is equal to tan square pi by 16 and b is equal to tan square 3 pi by 16. Then tan square 5 pi by 16 is equal to 1 by b, and tan square 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1 by a. That's because of this relationship here and this relationship here. So we have found out a is equal to tan square pi by 16, b is equal to tan square 3 pi by 16, 1 by a is equal to tan square 7 pi by 16, and 1 by b is equal to tan square 5 pi by 16. Now, if you call the given expression as E, then E is equal to tan square pi by 16 multiplied by tan square 3 pi by 16 plus tan square pi by 16 multiplied by tan square 5 pi by 16 plus tan square 3 pi by 16 multiplied by tan square 7 pi by 16 plus tan square 5 pi by 16 multiplied by tan square 7 pi by 16, which is from the above table, that is this, is AB plus A multiplied by B plus B multiplied by 1 minus A plus 1 by B multiplied by 1 by B multiplied by 1 by A, or that is equal to AB multiplied by A plus A by B plus B by A plus A by A plus B. And if you take A common from the first two terms, we get A multiplied by B plus 1 by B, and if you take 1 by A common from these two terms, we get 1 by A multiplied by B plus 1 by B. Therefore, the given expression E becomes A plus 1 by A multiplied by B plus 1 by B. Let us call it equation 1. Now, let T be tan pi by 16. Earlier we had taken a is equal to tan square pi by 16. Now we are taking t is equal to tan pi by 16. Therefore, t square is a. We know that tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Therefore, tan pi by 8 is equal to 2 tan pi by 16 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 16, and that is 2t divided by 1 minus t squared. Since t is equal to tan pi by 16, it is not 0. So, we can divide the above equation by t and get 2 is equal to square root of 2 minus 1 whole multiplied by 1 divided by t minus t, or 1 by t minus t is equal to 2 divided by square root of 2 minus 1, that is 2 multiplied by square root of 2 plus 1 divided by square root of 2 minus 1 multiplied by square root of 2 plus 1. Here we have multiplied both numerator and denominator by square root of 2 plus 1 to rationalize the denominator square root of 2 minus 1, and that gives 2 multiplied by square root of 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1 divided by, this is like x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1, which is x square minus 1. X square will be square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is equal to 2, minus y square will be minus 1 into plus 1 is equal to minus 1. And this combined value of this is equal to plus 1. Therefore, 1 by t minus t is equal to 2 multiplied by square root of 2 plus 1. Squaring both sides, we get, if you square this side, we get t square plus 1 by t square minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 into t, that is minus 2. So this is equal to, if you square this side, we get 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 plus 2 square root 2. That is equal to 12 plus 8 multiplied by square root of 2. Now taking this 2 to the other side, we get t square plus 1 by t square is equal to 14 plus 8 multiplied by square root of 2. We had substituted t is equal to tan pi by 16 and a is equal to tan square pi by 16, or t square was equal to a. Hence, from this equation, we get a plus 1 by a, that is, this is a plus 1 by a is equal to 14 plus 8 multiplied by square root of 2. Let us call it equation 2. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It is completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later if you want to. More importantly for me, if you like, share and subscribe, it would encourage me to make and post new videos for you to view. Also, if you know about any interesting problems that you would like me to solve, please upload it in your comments. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. Equation 1 was e is equal to E is equal to A plus 1 by A multiplied by B plus 1 by B. We have already evaluated the term A plus 1 by A. Let us now evaluate B plus 1 by B following a procedure which is exactly the same. Here, let us take U is equal to tan 3 pi by 16. Then B, which we have taken as tan square 3 pi by 16, is equal to U square. So, tan 2 times of 3 pi by 16 is equal to 2 tan 3 pi by 16 divided by 1 minus tan square 3 pi by 16. Or this being 3 pi by 8, we get tan 3 pi by 8 is equal to 2u divided by 1 minus u square. This is 2u and this is 1 minus u square. Let v be tan 3 pi by 8. Now tan 6 pi by 8 is equal to 2 tan 3 pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square 3 pi by 16, that is equal to this was tan 3 pi by 8. So let me read it out again. Yes. So tan 6 pi by 8 is equal to 2 tan 3 pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square 3 pi by 8, which is 2b divided by 1 minus b square, because we have taken v is equal to this. But tan 6 pi by 8 is equal to tan 135 degrees, which is minus 1. Therefore, 2v divided by 1 minus v square is equal to minus 1, or 2v is equal to v square minus 1, or v square minus 2v minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in v, and the solutions are v is equal to minus b, that is plus 2, plus or minus square root of 4 plus 4 divided by 2. Here we are using the formula ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If this is 0, then x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. I am sure you are all very familiar with this formula. I am applying that formula to this quadratic equation here to get two solutions of the root v. Therefore, if you simplify this expression, it will become v is equal to 1 plus minus 2. 1 plus minus square root of 2. Now, v being tan 3 pi by 8, it is positive. Hence, we discard the solution 1 minus square root of 2, which becomes negative, and take only one value of v, that is v is equal to square root of 2 plus 1. Therefore, v is equal to tan 3 pi by 8 is equal to 2u divided by 1 minus u square, which you had found earlier, is equal to 2 square plus 1. By cross multiplication, 2u is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 minus u square. But u was tan 3 pi by 16. We had made this substitution earlier. And this is not 0. So we can divide both sides of the above equation by u, and that gives us 2 is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 whole multiplied by 1 by u minus u, or 1 by u minus u is equal to 2 divided by square root of 2 plus 1 by cross multiplication. And that is equal to, when you rationalize the denominator, we get 2 multiplied by square root of 2 minus 1 divided by square root of 2 plus 1 multiplied by square root of 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 multiplied by square root of 2 minus 1. By squaring both sides, we get 1 divided by u minus u whole square is equal to, when you square this side, it will become 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 minus 2 multiplied by square root of 2, which is 12 minus 8 root 2. So, u square plus 1 by u square minus 2, this is the value when we square this much. So, this becomes equal to, the right hand side is 12 minus 8 multiplied by square root of 2. Therefore, u square plus 1 by 2 u square is equal to 14 minus 8 multiplied by square root of 2. Remember that we had taken u is equal to tan 3 pi by 16 and b is equal to tan square 3 pi by 16. Therefore, b was u square. So, this expression becomes 1 by b plus b is equal to 14 minus 8 square root of 2. From equation 1, E was a plus 1 by a multiplied by b plus 1 by b. We have found a plus 1 by a is equal to 14 multiplied by 8 square root of 2 from equation 2. Now we have found that b plus 1 by b is equal to 14 minus 8 square root of 2. Therefore, E is equal to 14 plus 8 square root of 2 whole multiplied by 14 minus 8 square root of 2, that is equal to 14 square minus 64 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 196 minus 128, which is equal to 68. So, the value of the given expression is 68. This is the final answer. Thank you.